What if your vehicle is totaled out, but you still owe money after the insurance company gives you fair market value? Unfortunately, the law is not good here. It's very easy to be upside down on your vehicle because cars are depreciating assets. A lot of times the total loss figures that the insurance company comes up with are fairly accurate, but it's important to do our research and check online and look for similar vehicles. Chances are, though, the number is correct. So what can we do if you are upside down on your vehicle? First, we got to check to see if you have gap insurance. It is something that you would have purchased at the time of the sale of your vehicle. It is coverage that applies in this exact situation, which is if you are upside down on your loan such that the value of your car is less than your loan, they will cover the difference. Now, that is expensive coverage, not everybody buys it. So if you don't have gap coverage, the other option that we can look at is if you had somebody else that was at fault for causing the crash and we're going through their insurance, we can try to go through your insurance if you have full coverage and see if the numbers are higher. Chances are, though, they won't be. They use similar processes to determine the value of your vehicle, so chances are it's going to be similar, plus you're making a claim against your insurance, which isn't always a good idea. So that really leaves us, if you don't have gap insurance, we have two options that we really look at. One is to just pay off the loan. Is it unfair? Absolutely. You didn't cause this crash. You would not otherwise be on the hook for more money, but Missouri is a fair market value state, which means the insurance company or the at-fault party is only required to give you fair market value, which again is not always what you owe on the vehicle. So option one, you just pay it off. Option two, since you are now without a car, is to go to a dealership or the dealership where you bought the vehicle and see if they are willing to roll your old loan into a new loan. Essentially, you take the amount that you owe, because it could be thousands of dollars, and put it into your new loan and just pay it off over time. That's, is it a perfect situation? No, but unfortunately, that's really the only option that we have at this point if you don't have gap insurance and you don't get a better deal through your own insurance.